ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय पाण्वशाख्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 716. We are seeing graha and atigraha, ashtagrahau, ashtau, atigraha. टीका वाचा ही इत्यादेः, थर्ड लाइन इन द टीका, वाचा ही इत्यादेर अपानेन ही इत्यादिना तुल्यार्थत्वात् अव्याख्येयत्वम् आह समानम अन्यत्। वाचा ही इत्यादेः अपानेन ही इत्यादिना तुल्यार्थत्वात्. What is the meaning of this?
Vacha, etc. and all is same as prana.
Apana. Apana. So in the Purva mantra, means mantra number 2 had apana. Apana was what? Graha or atigraha? Atigraha. Apana is atigraha. So vacha atigraha is similar to apana atigraha, and everything else is same. So therefore there is no need of vyakhyanam again. It says samanam anyat. You remember this samanam anyat in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sarasangra Tika, where all those
Kova
vairagya.
viratim nayati.
Huh?
Kova viratim nayati.
Kova vicharya kova viratim nayati. So in that pada is samanam. Vicharya kova viratim nayati. This is same. Bhagwan Bhashyakar has used this word samanam anyat. That's why other tikakar can use that samanam anyat. Granam, वाक, जिह्वा, चक्षु, श्रोत्रम, मनो, हस्तौ, त्वक इति उक्तान ग्रहान निगमयति. These are all graha. ग्राणम, वाक, जिह्वा, चक्षु, श्रोत्रम, मनो इत्यादि. इत्येते त्वक पर्यंता अष्टौ ग्रहाः. These are the अष्टग्रह. अष्टौ ग्रहाः. स्पर्श पर्यंताः, up to स्पर्श, स्पर्श पर्यंताः. च एते अष्टौ अतिग्रहाः इति. These are अष्ट अतिग्रहाः. गंधो नाम रूप रस रस रूप रूपम शब्दः काम कर्म स्पर्श इति अतिग्रहान् अपि निगमयति. So they are all अतिग्रह. गंध नाम रस रूप इत्यादि. Now, so this topic is over. This question is answered. Now, next, उपसंहृतेषु ग्रहातिग्रहेषु आह पुनः. ग्रह अतिग्रह टॉपिक इज उपसंहृत. नाउ पुनः आह याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच. हु इज आस्किंग? आर्तभाग. आर्तभाग. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यदिदं सर्वं मृत्योरन्नं कास्वित् सा देवता यस्या मृत्युरन्नम् इति अग्निर्वै मृत्युः सो अपामन्नम् अप पुनर्मृत्युं जयति. Arthabhaga said Yajnavalkya to bring his attention. Yadidam sarvam mrityoho annam. If everything is annam for mrityu, kasvit sa devata yasya mrityuhu annam. What is that devata whose annam is mrityu? Means if everything is annam for mrityu, who is that devata whose annam is mrityu? Mrityuhu annam iti. The question. Agnirvai mrityuhu. Agni is that devata whose annam is mrityuhu. Agnirvai mrityuhu. So apam annam apa punar mrityum jayati. So apam annam, and that is Agni is apam annam. Apa punar mrityum jayati. The one who knows this, then he will win over apamrityu. Punaha apamrityum jayati. Apa is the upasarga. It will go with, actually it will go with jayati. So, punaha mrityum apajayati. Apajayati. Sitika. Pratikam adaya vyachashte. Yadidam sarvam. So, pratika is Yadidam sarvam. So, Yadidam sarvam mrityoho annam. This much is the pratika from where? Yadidam sarvam mrityor annam. This pratika is from the mantra. In Tika, if there is a pratika, it is from Bhashya. In Bhashya, if there is pratika, it is from mantra. Yadidam vyakritam sarvam mrityor annam. Sarvam jayate vipadyate cha. Grahati graha lakshanena mrityuna grastam. Whatever is manifest, yadidam vyakritam means anything. Everything will have death. Everything is subject to destruction. Mrityoho annam. Sarvam jayate vipadyate cha. Vipadyate, padgatau dhatu is there. Vipadyate meaning we should understand as viparitam gacchati. Vipadyate, which is destruction. It is not able to remain in its state. It becomes something else. Vipadyate means vinashyati. By who? Graha atigraha lakshanena mrityuna grastam. Sitika. Yadidam vyakritam jagat sarvam mrityoho annam iti yojana. Tasya tad annatvam sadhayati. Sarvam. All of that is annam for mrityu. Mrityoho annatva sambhavanayam shrutyantaram samvadayati. So, if mrityu has to become annam, where is it said mrityu is also annam? So he said there is another shruti. See in Bhashya first. Kasvit kanu syat sa devata yasya devatayaha mrityu api annam bhavet. What would be that devata whose annam will be this mrityu? Mrityu also will become its annam. Mrityor yasyopasechanam. What is the mantra?
यस्य ब्रह्म च क्षत्रं च उभे भवत ओदना मृत्यु तस्योपसेचनं का इत्था
क इत्था
I forgot.
वेदपत्र
क
सः
इत्था वेदयत्र सः मृत्युर्यस्योपसेचनम् मृत्योर् मृत्युर्यस्योपसेचनम् how मृत्योः मृत्युर्यस्योपसेचनम् मृत्युः यस्य उपसेचनम् उपसेचनम् means
side dish.
like
Chutney.
chutney. Side dish has to be interesting. Huh? If the main dish is not interesting, side dish should bring interest there. Iti Shrutyantara. That's why people sometimes, they will have pickle box ready. Doesn't matter what is the main food. Pickle is their side dish that will take care of everything. टीका मृत्योः मृत्युम अधिकृत्य प्रश्नस्य करटदंत निरूपणवत् अप्रयोजनत्वम् आशंक्य आह मृत्योः मृत्युम अधिकृत्य so now you have said मृत्यु also has मृत्यु अधिकृत्य means निरूपणीयत्वेन उद्दिश्य so now you see what is the objective of artha bhaga he wants to say tell me what is the mrityu of mrityu so if you give the answer then he will ask what is the mrityu of that what is the mrityu of that so there will be anavastha dosha it will come it is given in the bhashya so here he says prashnasya karatadanta nirupanavat what is karatadanta
Crow.
kakadanta karatadanta means kakadanta teeth of crow crow doesn't have any teeth and inquiry into that is nishprayojana this athato brahma jignasa in this sutra bhashya in Mahamati this is the first sentence this brahma jignasa why this brahma sutra nirmanam this is like karatadanta kakadanta pariksha it is nishprayojana so aprayojanatvam ashankya aha ayam abhiprayah there is an objective in this question what is that प्रष्टुर यदि मृत्योः मृत्युम वक्ष्यति अनवस्था स्यात् प्रष्टुः प्रष्टुः कः
आर्तभागः
याज्ञवल्क्य प्रष्टुः means the one to whom the question is asked that is prashta प्रष्टुः यदि वक्ष्यति तो who is going to give the answer याज्ञवल्क्य प्रष्टुः यदि मृत्योः मृत्युम वक्ष्यति then अनवस्था स्यात् अथ न वक्ष्यति अस्मात् ग्रहाति ग्रह लक्षणात् मृत्योः मोक्षो न उपपद्यते if no vakshati if he doesn't say then asmat grahati graha lakshanat mrityoho moksho na upapadyate that means there is no moksha because mrityu will not go mrityu is not there understood if mrityu is there then anavastha another mrityu will be there of that mrityu will have another mrityu like that if mrityu is not there or he is not able to answer that means you cannot go over this mrityu and this mrityu is graha ati graha lakshana so asmat graha ati graha lakshanat mrityoho moksho no upapadyate this will be the condition सति एव ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणे मृत्यौ मोक्षो भविष्यति इति चेत् नेत्याः सति एव ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणे when graha atigraha lakshana mrityu is there, from that alone moksha is needed. Grahatigraha lakshane mrityau moksho bhavishyati iti chen netyaha. Means graha atigraha we already discussed. What are the grahas, what are the atigraha? That is called mrityu, all of them. From that I need moksha. So moksha means from this only, from graha atigraha. इति चेत् न इत्याह ग्रह अतिग्रह मृत्यु विनाशे ही मोक्षः स्यात्. Satyeva means if graha atigraha is also there and I can become moksha from, I can get moksha from mrityu. He says no. Graha atigraha if they are there and you can get moksha from mrityu is not possible because graha atigraha mrityu vinashe hi moksha. When graha atigraha are destroyed, their mrityu is called moksha. So it is not that graha atigrahas are there and I, in other words, many times for sadhaka, they feel that my Vishaya Sakti can remain and I will get moksha also. You are not studying Vedanta from newspaper. Newspaper Vedanta can have all this. Gurukula Vedanta is not like that. You have to let go of all asakti, then only there will be moksha. Grahati graha mrityu vinashe hi moksha स्यात्. अस्तु तर्हि ग्रहातिग्रह नाशे मुक्ति इति अतः. ओके. स यदि मृत्योः अपि मृत्युः स्यात् भवेत् ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणस्य मृत्योर्विनाशः. स यदि मृत्योः अपि मृत्यु स्यात्, if that is mrityu of the mrityu also, then let there be grahatigraha lakshanasya mrityoho vinashah. There will be vinasha of grahatigraha lakshana mrityu. टीका न च मृत्योः मृत्युः अस्ति अनवस्थानात् इति उक्तम इति भावः. मृत्यु cannot have मृत्यु because then there will be अनवस्था दोष. पक्षे अनवस्थानात् पक्षे च अमुक्तेः इति अतः शब्दार्थः. So next वाक्य starts with अतः. Why अतः? Because of this Ubhayata Pasharajjuhu. This is what they call Ubhayata Pasharajjuhu. If you give one answer, also you are bound. If you give another answer, then also you are bound. So that is why these people are there to ask questions. None of the questions will be straightforward, where you give some answer and yes, take the cows and take the gold. They will ask all such questions only when you cannot answer either way. Or at least they think he will not be able to answer. Ato durvachanam prashnam manvanah pruchhati kasvit sa devata iti. Therefore, this answer is durvachanam. Difficult to answer. Durvachanam, what is the pratyaya? What is the sutra?
ईशा दुःसुचु कृच्छ्रार्थेषु खल प्रत्ययः.
Kal, not khal pratyaya. Sutra is only khal. Ishad dusushu krichartheshu khal. Those who want number.
33126.
83126. 3 3. So the answer is Durvacham. Siddhanti feels is difficult to answer. Kasvit sa devata. What is that devata? Now see beautiful tika. मृत्यु हो मृत्यु ब्रह्मात्म साक्षात्कारो विवक्षितः. What is the मृत्यु of मृत्यु? ब्रह्मात्म साक्षात्कार. तस्यापि अन्यो मृत्यु अस्ति चेद अनवस्था नास्ति. हाँ, अनवस्था कॉमा. After अनवस्था you put comma. नास्ति चेत तद हेतु अज्ञानस्यापि स्थितेः अमुक्तिरिति शंकते. So graha atigrahas mrityu is there. Okay. Its mrityu is what? When it is said mrityur mrityuhu yasyopasechanam. Mrityur yasyopasechanam. So what is the upasechanam for mrityu? Who is that for whom mrityu is upasechanam?
Brahma.
Agni. Oh,
Brahma. Okay, here it is Agni that is said in this mantra. But in Kathopanishad it is given as Brahma. Mrityur yasyopasechanam. So now that is Brahmatma Sakshatkar. That Brahmatma Sakshatkara, if that also has Mrityu, what is Brahmatma Sakshatkara? Brahmatma Sakshatkara is in the form of Brahmakara Vritti. Brahmakara Vritti Anadi Ajnanam and Sadi Brahmakara Vritti. Sadi Brahmakara Vritti can remove Anadi Ajnanam or not?
Yes, it can.
How many of you think no? Raise your hands. How many of you think yes? Raise your hands. So, Anadi Ajnanam will go by, okay, Anadi Ajnanam will go by Brahmakar Vritti, which is Anitya, Sadi. It will come, it will remove Ajnanam, it will go away. Nasti Chet. So, if there is another Mrityu like that, then there will be Anavasa. Nasti Chet. Nasti means Mrityu ho, Mrityu Nasti. Means this Brahmatma Sakshatkara, which is in the form of Brahmakara Vritti. If it doesn't go away, if Brahmakara Vritti stays, then what is the problem?
Vaitam repeat.
Then see this line. नास्ति चेत तद हेतु अज्ञानस्यापि स्थितेः अमुक्तिः. If karya has to exist, its karana has to exist. If ghata is there, mritika has to be there. So if Brahmakar Vritti has not gone, that means avidya is still remaining. Because Brahmakar Vritti is avidya karya. So Brahmakar Vritti has to remove avidya and it should go as part of avidya. Brahmakar vritti is part of avidya. It is avidya karyam. So then amukti iti shankate in bhashya. Okay, asti tavan mrityoho mrityu. Let there be mrityus mrityu, which is Brahma. Brahma jnana, sorry, not Brahma, Brahma jnana. Brahma, can Brahma give moksha?
No.
No.
Brahma cannot give
No.
moksha. Brahma jnanam will give moksha. ननु अनवस्था स्यात् तस्यापि अन्यो मृत्युः इति. Purvapakshi thinks anavastha will happen. So if mrityu has mrityu, then there will be anavastha. Na anavastha. Siddhanti says there is no anavastha. Tatra asti paksham parigrihya pariharati. Na anavastha. Yathoktasya mrityoho. Why in bhashya sarva mrityoho mrityu antaran upapattehe. Every mrityu will not have another mrityu. Sarva mrityoho mrityantaran upapattehe. Mrityantaran upapattehe. Mrityu antara is not necessary. टीका यथोक्तस्य मृत्योः स्वपर विरोधित्वात् न किंचित् अवध्यम इत्यर्थः. यथोक्तस्य मृत्योः, यथोक्त मृत्यु इज व्हाट? 7 नंबर टिप्पणी साक्षात्कार, ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार. व्हाट इज साक्षात्कार? चलो Sakshat means, when we say, I study Vedanta. Vedanta says you are Brahma, Jagat is Mithya. Sakshatkar means that knowledge should become my knowledge. This is Sakshatkar. It should become my wisdom. Like you are doing something different, something not relevant. And at that time, some Vedanta Vakya strikes for you. Suddenly. And what was not clear becomes very clear. So clear that now it becomes your understanding. It has become your wisdom. Means earlier you had understood, you had heard it and say, yes, I have understood. But in buddhi, this understanding has come as a thought, it has gone, and on that other thoughts come, and this doesn't remain as a permanent wisdom. Now, means after that sakshatkara, this buddhi doesn't go away. This is the bheda. So when that happens, this, what you had heard or understood earlier, now it becomes readily available during Vyavahara also. Readily available means not that every time that buddhi remains, but it doesn't go away. It is right around. Like in your room, for example, there are certain things which you use on regular basis, multiple times. And there are certain things which are less regular, and some things are only once in a while you need. So in my buddhi also there are some such compartments. If you think this knowledge is like all the time available, easily accessible. This is where sakshat karanam. In other words, Shastriya Bhasha, you say it is aparoksha. Aparoksha, you say I am Brahma. You say, but I am Brahma itself, I was thinking all along, but now it has become my wisdom. So यथोक्तस्य साक्षात्कारस्य मृत्योः स्वपर विरोधित्वात् न किंचित अवध्यम. न किंचित अवध्यम means anavadyam. Anavadyam means there is no dosha. स्वपरो विरोधित्वात्. See 8 number टिप्पणी. उक्त साक्षात्कारः सर्वं द्वैतजातं दग्ध्वा निरिंधन अग्निवत् स्वयमेव दाहकांतर निरपेक्षः शाम्यति इति न अनवस्था इति भावः. साक्षात्कार is सर्वं द्वैतजातं दग्ध्वा. He explains. Once this साक्षात्कार is there is no स्वपर विरोधी. सर्वं द्वैतजातं दग्ध्वा, it has burnt entire द्वैतम. निरिंधन अग्निवत्, there is no fuel remaining for this fire to burn. Therefore, fuel is also gone, fire will also die away. Swayameva dahakantar nirapekshah shamyati. So here sakshatkara hai is taken as brahmakar vritti. But after that vritti also, jnanam continues as smriti. The smriti is there. Samskara, what we call. Swapara virodhi, this word I will explain a little. Swapara virodhi means this Brahma Jnanam is virodhi of itself also and virodhi of all other Dvaitam. Brahma Jnanam will remove everything else, Brahma Jnanam will remove itself. This is called Swapara virodhi. What was your question? Badhita. Sharira will remain, so that vyavahar will be badhita. Otherwise, you say nothing remains, then after this line there is no adhyanam. So then jnana vyavahar will be there, he will be jivan mukta, he will teach. Then only shrotriyam brahmanishtham is possible, to whom somebody will go. Otherwise, he is not brahmanishta, then shruti will become wrong. Or you explain by avidya lesha, like in Sankshepa Shariraka we saw. Na kinchid avadyam ityartha. Uktam paksham prashna dvara pramanarudham karoti. Uktam paksham prashna dvara pramana arudha. So now he puts it with the language of pramana. Katham punaha avagamyate asti mrityoho mrityu iti. How do we understand that mrityu also has a mrityu? Iti. Drashtatvat. It is seen. How? Agni Drishtanta is given. What is the Drishtanta given in Atma Bodha? whole, what is the shloka for Jalam Katakarenu?
अज्ञानकलुषं जीवं ज्ञानाभ्यासादिनिर्मलं कृत्वा ज्ञानं स्वयं नश्येत् जलं कतकरेणुवत्।
अज्ञान कलुषम जीवम ज्ञानाभ्यासान विनिर्मलम कृत्वा ज्ञानम स्वयं नश्येत् जलम कतकरेण। अग्निस्तावत् सर्वस्य दृष्टो मृत्युर्विनाशकत्वात्। See this वाक्य, अग्निस्तावत् सर्वस्य दृष्टो मृत्युर्विनाशकत्वात्. In the morning, I think I was explaining this, right? In Kiranavali class. This came, I think, this morning only. Agnistavat sarvasya drishto mrityur vinashakatvat. How do you read this? Agnihi tavat sarvasya mrityuhu drishtaha. Agni is seen as mrityu of all. Sarvasya mrityuhu drishtaha. So you have to do anvaya. This came in Sannidhi. Akanksha yogyata Sannidhi there. So vyavahitena sometimes sambandha is there. Vinashakatvat, because Agni is vinashaka of all. So here, this graha and atigraha, Agni will destroy all of them. In this way it is given. So adbhir bhakshyate. So agnihi apam annam. So adbhihi bhakshyate. That Agni adbhir bhakshyate. So agnihi apam annam. Advihi. Advihi means?
By apa.
What did you say? Which vibhakti is that? Tritiya. Advihi bhakshyate. Annena saha bhakshyate. Saha kaha? Agni. So, Jala will consume Agni. So, Agnihi apam annam. Agnihi apam annam. Tika. Drishtatvam spashtayati. Drishtatva phalam achaste. So, what is seen? What is the phalam of that? Grihana tarhi asti mrityoho mrityuriti. Therefore, grihana, understand. Mrityoho mrityu asti. Tasya karyam kathayati. What is the karyam of this Agni, which is mrityoho mrityu? Once you know that, tena sarvam grahati graha jatam bhakshate mrityoho mrityuna. By this Agni, grahati graha, everything is consumed. Apa punar mrityum jayati iti asya patanikam karoti. This jnanam, what it will do? Punah mrityum jayati iti asya apa punar mrityum jayati iti asya patanikam karoti. Tasmin bandhane nashite mrityuna bhakshite sansaran moksha upapanno bhavati. When bandha nasha takes place, then mrityuna bhakshite sansaran moksha. Means jivan mukta is discussed. He attains jnanam. Then mrityu is destroyed. So then samsaran moksha upapanno bhavati. Prasaditam mrityoho api mrityurasti iti pradarsanena iti shesha. By this bandhanam. Bandhanam hi grahati graha lakshanam uktam. बंधनम इज ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणम तस्माच्च मोक्ष उपपद्यते इति एतत् प्रसादितम. So grahatigraha lakshana is mrityu, that is bandhanam, from that moksha is possible in the form of this brahmakar vritti, etc. And when bandhana is destroyed, when mrityu is destroyed, then samsara moksha is possible. Mokshopapatau phalitamaha ato bandha mokshaya purusha prayasaha safalo bhavati. Therefore, all your efforts to become liberated from bandha, bandha mokshaya, what is this? Which samas vigraha?
Bandhat mokshaya.
बंधात मोक्षाय पंचमी. बंधात मोक्षाय पुरुष प्रयासः सफलो भवति. All my efforts are justified. They will give phalam. They are fruitful. What is the purusha prayasah? Shamadhi purvaka shravanadihi. It is given only in one word. Shamadhi purvaka shravanadihi. But you know how much it takes. All the karma yoga, upasana, bhakti yoga, ashtanga yoga, whatever you do, gurukula vasa, yama, niyama, asana, etc., samadhi, shat sampatti, viveka, vairagya, then shravanam, then remembering this sutra, that shloka, everything, mantra, and then finally, apajayati punarmrityum. टीका तत्फलस्य ज्ञानस्य फलं दर्शयन् वाक्यं योजयति अत इति. ज्ञानं पंचम्यर्थः. फलस्य ज्ञानस्य फलं दर्शयन् वाक्यं योजयति अतः अतो अपजयति पुनर्मृत्युम्. ज्ञानं पंचम्यर्थः. व्हाट इज दिस ज्ञानं? ब्रह्म ज्ञानं. वेयर इज पंचमी?
Tasmat.
No. Atah. Atah is given, no? The pratika, whatever is the pratika, that you have to take. Atah iti jnanam panchamyartha. So atah is panchami. Atah means jnanat. Jnanat apajayati punarmrityu. What we generally say as jnanena, he says jnanat. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.